Hello everybody, we're back at it again with another video. If this is your first time here and you haven't seen my face in a while, please hit that subscribe button for it helps out the channel, yada yada yada. Without further ado, hi everybody, my name is Mr. Hanky. Nah, for real, we're gonna go to the range today. It's my first time shooting a gun in probably like 10 years. I am super rusty, my finger is really rusty. But first, we're gonna get some breakfast. Travel with me as I travel alone. It is 6:30. The range doesn't open up till like 7, so we're gonna get some breakfast. Okay, got breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I paid $10.42. $10.42 gets me a chocolate milk, a Rockstar Recovery coconut water with collagen for my aching muscles. Oh, and my chorizo egg, I think just chorizo egg burrito from Food City. Tell you the truth, I'm not even hungry. But I will eat something because I need to get something in my stomach because I need to take care of my body. Hasn't been eating a whole lot, has changed since the last time I've been on. Yeah, the 5th of July. Trying to get these videos out as quick as I can nowadays. Yeah. I think I'm gonna just munch on this burrito, get some food in my system, and make my way to the gun range. Gotta be careful when eating these because they're so greasy. Plus with the energy drink, you can easily have a heart attack, so I better be careful. But it is so tasty with all this grease and flavor. Oh yeah, one last thing, shooting on the GoPro Hero Max on Hero mode, so got the super view on HD 60 frames per second. So if it seems a little wide, that's probably why, but the stabilization is amazing in this. Okay, I'm gonna quit blabbering. Yo, look at the scenery. Like a whole different world out here. First time being out here. Tucson Estates. The freak, where am I? Excuse the shaky jitters from the car. My stress are terribly bad. Tucson Mountain Park. Wow. We're literally in the middle of nowhere. Is this it? Yeah, I guess this is it. I think. Hopefully it's not locked. Damn, I drove all the way out here and it literally says Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So today's like Wednesday. Oh my god, I gotta go to a different range. Oh my god. Okay, we are back on the road. We got different scenery. Today we are going to Diamondback range. Hopefully they can help me there. Check out the vibes over here. Holy smoking butts barbecue. And we got the pizzeria right here. Got shooting range over there. Got the dispensary, if I'm not mistaken, across the street. I might be wrong. Hey, I remember this place. Damn, it's a Little Anthony's? What the freak? Wow. Damn, they still have a Little Anthony's up and running. Smells good too. delicious. But we are here, Diamondback. They're like poisonous Arizona snakes. Anyway, I gotta find a parking. This is my first time here. Let's see what's good at Diamondback. I know this place is like the holy grail of weaponry. When I was a security guard, I had to come here to get my license and my fingerprint for DPS. Okay, enough blabbering. Let's get inside. This is the ammo I'm going to be using today. This is the ammo that I bought when I first bought the gun. I don't know anything really about guns, even though all I do is watch gun videos on YouTube. I think I'm going to put these in my poquito. I just dropped my GoPro on the ground, but luckily nothing broke. Either my extra bullets that I have, minus my 2 clips that are in my pocket. Let's go see what's good. Yo, there's no range there. I don't want to get sad, but damn, I'm getting sad, yo. I don't know why my nose is running. Probably because it's hot outside. Maybe I've spent too much time in the AC. There's no range there, man. Son of a... That's the second place today. Well, there's no range. There's no range. I need to get mad about stuff I cannot control. I was told to go to Reddington's Pass. It's an open range, but I really don't want to do all that, honestly. Oh, fuck, man.
520 tactical.
Hi, how much is it to use the shooting range?
$20 per person all day.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Bye.
Marksman, how may I help you?
Hi, how much is it to use your shooting range?
It's $20 per person.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Thank you, bye. $20 per person. Wow, that's a lot of money. Oh my god. 20 bucks, I might as well just pick up another box of ammo. Oh my goodness, this is crazy.
In a quarter mile, turn right.
We out here. Alright, this is the place. I don't know if I showed you in the last shot, but I picked up some more rounds. 15 bucks. 16 bucks with tax. Not too bad. Let's try to sneak this camera in and go to the range. Let's go. First time at the range. I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest with you, but I'm gonna try my best to do it. I can already hear gunshots going off in there. Damn, it's hot. 5th of July, baby, let's go.
So on this right here, you don't pull it, this little switch takes it out. I need to bring it forward.
Ah.
All right.
So you just take it that way and pull it back?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Okay. New. This is definitely new. We are clear. This is giving me anxiety, huh? Got the hollow point. Should I check the hollow point first? Yeah, we're not. First time shooting a gun, like, okay. Fucking punch up. Jam, yo. Yo, what the fuck? Yo. The fucking recoil is so strong in here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is so dangerous. Flip. Oh, that was so fucking dangerous. Oh my god. Oh my god, that was so dangerous. Oh, that makes my palms sweat. That is crazy. Yo, the recoil on this little gun is extremely freaking powerful. Like, this is some scary shit. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, this is scary. This is stressful, yeah. I'm not gonna lie. Shit, hit him in the face. See how I did. I shot maybe one. My aiming sucks, boy. I'm not gonna lie. My aiming sucks so bad. used to it. Not too bad, not too bad. Almost half the back, man. I'm sweating my ass off, y'all. Oh my god. I'm not gonna lie, it does really hurt my wrist. It really does hurt my wrist. Let's see if we can pop this out. God, I'm sweating. I got a Pro Mag coming, but it's only the 10 rounder one. Hopefully they'll put some more grip on this. This shit is fun, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It was stressful at first, but now it's fun. I can't wait to fucking shoot more bullets. First shot this thing, I was like, holy moly. That was like, okay, I'm getting used to it. There. Okay, get 2 clips. We're gonna pop this at the pot shot. So it's not working right now. It's not working. This is fucking fun. This is nice too. As a date for myself. Fuck. Damn. I'm not gonna lie, I think I'm getting a little bit better. Getting the hang of it, baby. Let's go. Not too bad. Not too bad. Getting used to it. I just wasted so many bullets. The first pull is kind of hard to pull with all the travel, and you get used to it. Yo, let's see what I do. Damn. Damn, son. Let's take it back. Back. Have everybody leave? so much to me. First shot's always the hardest. Actually, I think I'm gonna save these clips because I cannot afford to buy right now. And there's where almost 50 rounds have went. Dumbass. Well, that wraps things up for this video. Please like and subscribe. I know I haven't shot videos in a long time, but I'm doing it now. Please like and subscribe for more videos, different kinds of sorts of videos. Love you guys. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Deuces. Oh yeah, the Ruger ec9s. Pretty nice little pistol, but you gotta be careful because it makes your palms sweat. Kind of gets out of your hand a little bit. I got the Pro Max coming. Once I get the Pro Max, get some more magazines, get some more money, I will be back.